So you have the F8 green, forged carbon on the side, hood. We kept that line going like we said. It's gonna be to this area here to end up in here. That came all the way across. Now how about this in the back, Bridget? One of one.
Oh yeah, that's badass.
One of one.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go inside. So you have your cup areas. We have our center console and our dash area.
Oh my gosh.
So now this is your baby. Go ahead, take a look, do what you need to do. This is just the beginning of a big process, but you will get it going.
Yeah, I'm in love.
You're in love with it? So I got a question. We're about to end this video.
Okay.
What do you want to tell everybody on YouTube today?
That they need to come to AUDIOZONE.
Man, we appreciate the boy J Cruz known as the AudioCat, and I found a trader today, man. I found a trader today. Look at him. Look at my trader. Look at my trader right there. Look at my trader. King, you giving man love, boy. Look at him with my boy Sean Duran, and look at this guy here just giving love to him. King, what are you doing? He loves him. But you know what happens is, Sean? They say a dog knows another dog. Oh, he's like, boy, he got me in the right spot. Anyway, y'all, on this edition, man, we got a couple things going on. I'm gonna walk you out to the back, show you exactly what's going on, man. But I just want to show you my trader dog, man. But besides that, baby, what you want to tell the camera? It's a happy Friday.
It's a happy Friday.
So how are you feeling today, my love? Look at him. Look at my dog out there just playing around. Look at him. He just went out there. He's like, I'm going with Sean today. I'm going with Uncle Sean. Babe, what do you want to tell the camera today?
I want to tell the camera that it is Friday, and I'm glad it's Friday.
I'm not, because that means tomorrow I got payroll. But let me show y'all what's going on here today, y'all. Like, yo, let me flip the camera.
Flip that thing around.
We got a guy in the building, Mr. REELTOREAL.
You know who coming through the door when you see this head and you see it on me and you see me.
And you see that drip? He got all that energy this morning. I got energy. Damn, boy. Look at him.
Got the energy. Look
yeah, Kuba in the building, man, my boy. Hey, man, say something really Jamaican for us, man, so we can hear that accent over here. Come on, say something Drew Jamaican. Come on, get with it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let me show y'all what's going on back here. We got, of course, the REELTOREAL Trackhawk coming in today. We're doing a lowering kit on this one today, adding the eye-box springs to this one, as you've seen on his video. But this was in progress right now of getting the eye-box springs, lowering the stands. Next, after that, it could be a wide-body kit. We're going to be throwing on this beautiful Trackhawk from REELTOREAL. You already know when he does it, y'all.
But y'all know we got to go crazy when we do that wide-body
yeah,
kit. We got to figure out something that ain't nobody else done.
Yep.
We got to do it before we even get it painted.
Well, when it comes in, we're going to mock it up. I told him I'm going to get on this one myself.
Yeah.
But we're going to get the mock-up, but we're going to create some crazy designs in this wide body to make this one a one-off. Like everything he owns is always a one-off. We're going to make sure it stays a one-off. So stay tuned for that. On this video, this will be dropped today. I didn't get to show y'all before video, but I guarantee you can go to Reel's channel. Well, it's not on the floor because they can see the height. So then I'm going to get this going in today, get this car dropped out. We have a Range Rover that we're working on today. This one had a big electrical problem. He did some screens, had a big issue, so I'm going to fix that. But we also found a voltage problem on this one. So Adolfo's in the process of taking off the alternator to get the voltage stabilized. We'll go from that one. I can't show y'all too quick, but that one's coming out pretty soon, which it could be very, very soon, hopefully tomorrow. And we got Josh in the building getting this Honda Odyssey. We're going to be adding the Flow Series strips here to the lights here. We're going to be in down here, down across the middle here, across over there, and the other door over there. So what you showing me?
Yeah, okay.
Well, I'm gonna let Josh get into that one, y'all, but so far look at what the day's looking like, and we create this day. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so on the Range Rover, this is off, alternator's off. You can see the master man working on the REELTOREAL truck, but I'm coming back to this one here to show y'all. Let me see if I can get the copyright. Let me copyright. Just so I can show y'all what's going on in here. Josh is in progress.
I got copyright too.
Oh my God, we got another copyright right there, y'all. But right now, Josh is in progress of installing this kit here, so we can see what it's gonna look like very shortly, y'all. But right now, he's got this strip is in here. We're about to power it on and see what we got it looking like. This one needs to be pushed down this way, though. So we at the shop giving you a little more update of what's going on. We got this we knocked out real quick, did a custom LED. Hold on. What the hell is my camera doing? It's going crazy. Whoa. Alright, go back to this one. We just did the headlights, LEDs, and LEDs on the fog light on that one. And then we have, whoa. And then we got this one here that we're doing the LED install that y'all have already, the interior license. Hold on. Our gimbal's not working, y'all. But we got the lights installed here. And then the dash over there, as y'all can see. That's what it's coming to. We got the lights in here, but I'm gonna check out what's going on my camera. Yeah, I'm having a failure. Back to the video, y'all. So we got the lights installed there. Center console area here is done. As you can see, everything flowing there. Now we're doing the doors on this one, which Josh is working on. But that was on that status. This is the LED, so you guys can understand. This is what an original light looks like, that orange color. And this is what it comes out to be when it's LED. For you guys that do not know, it's a clearer light, so it definitely has a better visuals at night, and you're definitely gonna be a lot more happy with that lighting. But that one's coming out now. Hey guys, so now y'all see what the finished result is like. Here, center of the dash right there. Josh is buttoning it up there. And that door. But now y'all have an understanding of what this is like, man. So if you want it done, you know we are. AUDIOZONE Irving, Texas, y'all. Check out the new website, AUDIOZONEoftexas.com. We started to put stuff on for sales, the dramatic deals, man. Charger wide body kits are $18.79 to buy Chrysler. We got it for $1,400 and change. We're just doing a massive blowout on a bunch of wide body kits, all kinds of stuff, y'all. But just stay tuned if we keep on building it up, y'all. But as far as this one done, this was done, y'all. We're gonna get delivered and keep on trucking. What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, known as the Audio Cat here. Another day, another video. Always want to thank y'all for the support, man. We have a crazy little thing going on today. We have a girl customer named Bridget came in today. I just got to my wrap / tint bay over here in the old shop. It's a beautiful green Challenger, man, and it's actually a nice car. So she wanted to come up with an idea. She wanted to do regular purple carbon fiber accents. We ended up looking at a couple options. She went ahead and got the FORDGE carbon purple, which I'll show y'all now. So the idea, we're going to create a area right here in the middle. It's going to come down this line here that you see right here, follow it all the way through here to the edge, because the pinnacle's right here. If I did it to the bottom line, it will come down here and it will look awkward not following here. So we went with this line here, which comes all the way across here. That's what we did there. We're also going to be accenting on this car the interior pod area. The guys already started disassemble, so I'm sorry I'm late for the video, but this area here, we're going to do a forged carbon purple. We're going to do the center console, like this piece that goes here, we're going to do that forged. We'll do this forged, do that forged, and we're also doing a custom stripe on the side. So sorry I'm late for the vlog, y'all, but sometimes you get busy. We're beginning to do a mock-up on this side of what we want to do. It's going to be almost like a TA design, but a little bit thicker. So this tape that you see here, we're going to come down a little bit more from here with another yellow tape, because I think it's 1.5 inches, the other inch will be 2.5 inches wide. We're going to continue the contour, but we're going to bring the same purple design all the way down to the back of the vehicle on both sides. Also thinking about throwing something else extra that she didn't really talk about, but we're going to see if we can throw it in for her, is this tail light area. Dodge is very famous for this, but I'm thinking about wrapping all this black in the purple forged carbon and leaving just the light accent here outside and doing all this in the forged carbon. So we got that going on there. I got the team working. My kitty, look at the Santa Fe cat, y'all. This is my little Santa Turbo. Yep. But let me show y'all what this is about. So in here, I brought my guy his knifeless tape, and I also brought the wrap material, which I want to show y'all real quick what it's gonna look like, so y'all can have an idea. In fact, here, pull this up, Jose, because they can see what this forged carbon looks like for this young lady. And I'm gonna try to bring y'all the most I can on this vlog, but that is the forged carbon, man. I don't think the camera gives it justice so you can see exactly what it is, but it is really an amazing color. It's forged carbon purple, high gloss on that one. Got their thing. We also got my PDR guy here, man. And so if we do have to fix, do the stripe up here, she has a ding right here. Y'all can probably see it is right there. So it has a little ding area right there. We're getting that PDR for her right now. So clean platform to be able to go and do the build, y'all. So I came to the shop to get this going here and show you what's going on with her. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back in my car. This is my daily, y'all. That I use. I don't drive the Viper every day, and I don't drive my Expedition or anything every day. But long story short, man, we got it here in the tint shop. So now the guy's gonna begin to do their job and get this car buttoned up, man. If God permits, I have this car today. I have I don't really say dates on YouTube because it's kind of hard to keep track of all the days and when we get to edit the videos and stuff. But today is a Saturday. I gotta have the car done by Monday afternoon. I'm gonna see if the guy can knock this out and have it to her today and put a big smile on her face and get that car delivered. But you know, I know it's a little complex and what we have to do in the interior. So I'm gonna let them do their thing, y'all. I'm gonna head back to the shop now. And we got a couple things going on over there. We have a diagnostics of a system that we did many years ago. We're getting that checked out for a guy. We have a Tesla screen install for Pedro Murillo. He is the guy who runs the WAM, We Are Mopar show, one of the biggest Mopar shows in the country. We attend many of them in the past years. And we have this Chrysler 300 coming in. Oh, it's actually at the shop already for a Tesla screen install. I'm gonna get Josh working on that. Then we have another dude who had a problem with the CompuStart system. We're gonna fix that for him. LED light, just a couple different things, man. Saturday, I kind of keep them light. I'm thinking about closing Saturdays to make events with y'all, but you know what I'm saying? We're still working on all that, y'all. So just give you a little update of what the day's looking like. We're gonna keep on rolling and trucking through here and get this, get these cars moving and built out for y'all. So stay tuned. Cruise crew, hold on, clean his lens. Give y'all an update, man. We got the Chrysler 300 Rio. He's already got the radio disassembled. Like I said, I'll do my best to bring you the most of it possible, but this is in progress right now with Josh getting the new Tesla screen. So we went from the factory little 8.4 screen that's right here. We went to the big screen now that Josh is about to install on this one here. Like an LED install on this one here. I'll bring y'all to that one in a minute, y'all. What's going on if we vibe here in the shop, y'all. Now that I have a little bit of time, I decided to come over here and share with y'all. Hold on, man. Let me say bye to my peoples here. Boys over here, man. We got Mr. Leo, Mr. Fabian. What y'all doing? Hey, y'all ain't working right now. What y'all doing, man?
Ain't working. Shit, man.
Huh?
Picking up the cars.
Picking up cars. Y'all need extra hands? How many cars you gotta pick up?
Just a couple. Just one.
Just one?
We're swapping out one. Picking up.
I mean, you know, take me out of here. I'm down to go for the ride. You got two cars to pick up?
We might. We'll knock it out of one. Yeah. No, I don't want to take you away. Your wife's gonna call me almost immediately. She's
like, bro, wait, he ain't working. Where he at? Why you leaving me here with him? Y'all need me? I'll go with y'all.
Nah, we're literally going right here in the back of there. Right back.
Y'all want to see something cool real quick? Come here. I'm about to show the people this. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show them what it is that's going on with the Tesla screen. Let me log into my Wi-Fi network real quick.
Big old screen.
I'm gonna show y'all.
You're gonna say, hey, how you gonna tell me roll the window up here and open the door?
Alrighty, I'm logged into the network right now, and then I'm gonna show them what this all does. Well, I'm doing it for y'all, but they're here, so we're gonna show them too. But let's just come to apps. Let's just say you want to go to, my God, YouTube.
I know that, but what the hell did I do to it?
Everything, bro.
It's like a 300 plus. Even the seats on, the covers on the side.
Showing everybody here what it is. So I'm showing them and I'm showing y'all at the same time. But let's just say they come over here, they could actually come and watch YouTube in the car. Watch movies, YouTube, browser search, anything you want to. Boom, look at that right there, y'all. That's the whole Tesla screen, because this allows you to have a whole tablet. Gives you an interface of Android. You could watch anything you could do on a phone, Leo, you could do it here. If you want to download Netflix, YouTube, anything you want, you have it here at all time, which is pretty damn cool. You know what I'm saying? So it's what they call a Tesla screen. It keeps all the functionalities, steering wheel controls and everything working, but it's a big screen. So now you have all those luxuries, man. So that's badass. This one got the star ceilings in the roof too, suede top, all the kind of stuff in here. Pretty soon I'm gonna do ahead to show you a little bit about this Tesla, but that's what it's like when it's installed, y'all. So it's amazing. All right, guys, so you guys have an understanding of what's going on. So we got the mock-up going on with the knifeless tape. That's the design that we're gonna be putting in this car, but he's doing all that designing right from that. And I like it. I think it'll look really good. I think it can be really fabulous. Now he's doing the hard hood part, where you can see we're not gonna show him on camera because he's wanted by the FBI. But this is already mocked up, as y'all could tell. So once this is mocked, now it's just a problem of laying it down and getting it done and situated. But so far, she's doing her thing. I actually like that idea too that you did there. That's actually pretty cool. But I'm gonna let him get to it, y'all. Just showing y'all a little bit of progress. Friday cruise. So at this point in time, bring you guys an update on the wrap vehicle that we were talking about earlier in this video. She's almost done, guys. We got the stripes. Look at the accent we have here in that forged carbon. Nasty, I love it. Then we got the accent on the side of the vehicle. You can see the stripe that we got. He got to button up this edge right here. Got to finish cutting it up, but that's just a mock-up. Look at the stripe coming down. Working the tail lights right now. Interior done. He's working on all that to get this together, but it is coming together, y'all. It's definitely coming together, y'all. Right now we're doing the tail lights. As you can see, he's working on the tail light in the back, but little by little, this one is coming together. I do love that purple forged carbon, y'all. But this is what it's coming out to be. This afternoon to get this lady out the car. Bridget, thank you for giving us a chance. But the guys are working on it to get it wrapped up, y'all. So stay tuned if we keep on getting the build going. True. So on this day here, they got the voltage fixed, put the alternator, that's all done. Now we're gonna be upgrading this area here. That's the factory screen, as you can see here. Factory radio. We're gonna be putting this bad boy, which is a big monitor from side to side, as you can tell. So I'm about to dismantle this one. The connection's done and get everything situated for my customer to be very happy. So stay tuned if we work this out. Friday cruise crew, because the day is end. Going on the F8 green. Look at the purple forged carbon. She has the TA style stripe on the side of the vehicle. Tail lights done completely with that forged carbon around inside and outside, as y'all can see that there. Different for sure. Then we also did the cups in the door area. Then we also did the center console, which you can see there. And then the dash here in the center. This is good to go and be ready for delivery. I'm about to give it this car, and let's just see what the reaction is. Stay tuned. This is Mrs. Bridget. She's the owner of this beautiful F8 green Challenger with the big purse right there. You can see that. About to go check out her car and see what is the results of her invention / creation that she came up with on this, with the F8 green and the forged carbon purple. It looks amazing. I love it. But now let's see, we got to accent a couple things more. We got to get some wheel accents and some other things accents, but it definitely came together in a very... See your baby. Take a look. So you have the F8 green, forged carbon on the side, hood. We kept that line going like we said. It's gonna be to this area here to end up in here. That came all the way across. Now how about this in the back, Bridget? One of one.
Oh yeah, that's badass.
One of one.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go inside. So you have your cup areas. We have our center console and our dash area. So now this is your baby. Go ahead, take a look, do what you need to do. This is just the beginning of a big process, but you will get it going.
Yeah, I'm in love.
You're in love with it? So I got a question. We're about to end this video.
Okay.
What do you want to tell everybody on YouTube today?
That they need to come to AUDIOZONE.
Man, we appreciate that so much. We thank you. We know that for the beginning of a big journey.
Yeah,
We're going to do some little decal for her Instagram page and stuff, y'all. That's coming soon. But we definitely want to thank you for giving us a chance to serve you. You come up with any ideas, you let me know. We're going to make it happen.
Yes, awesome. Thank you.
Here goes your keys. I'm going to end the video. I always tell y'all, thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.